Welcome back to another short vlog. At meron tayong napaka-interesting na tanong dito. Good morning po. Ask ko lang po, pag na-OD po ba ng one day sa isang OLA, nire-report po ba nila iyon sa CIC? By the way guys, CIC is a Credit Information Corporation. It collects our data as borrowers from legit lending institutions. Kasama na dito yung mga OLA and yung mga traditional na nagpapahiram ng mga companies, okay? It is always advised na from time to time, sinisili po natin yung ating credit report. And paano makaka-order ng credit report? It is through CIBI or TransUnion through the Lista app. I don't know if there are other ways. I'm sure there are other ways, but for me, that's the most convenient. This video, by the way, is not sponsored by Lista. I just have that app on my phone. Siyempre may bayad because it's a service. It requires, resources to gather these data. Yung umappear po sa aking credit report po ay yung nalate ako kay Tala at yung nalate ako kay One Hand. Lumabas talaga yun sa aking credit report. But regarding dun sa one day lang, let me share this story na lang ha. I have a car loan, okay? I know it's different but hear me out. I have a car loan and may auto-debit agreement po ako sa bank kung saan ako may car loan. Which means na every due date po, automatic na nilang dinidebit or wini-withdraw yung bayad doon sa account ko. System na ni banko yung immediate na, nagpa-process nun. Pero nabigla ako guys. Nag-order ako ng ng credit report ko sa TransUnion. Nagulat ako. May isa akong payment na lumabas na late. Pero one day lang siya. Because of that, parang feeling ko, parang yun yung reason ko bakit bumaba ng konti yung aking credit score. But not in a way that's super alarming. Yun nga lang bumaba. Kasi mas gusto natin nasa 700 up tayo na range eh. Pero bumaba. Bumalik sa 600 plus. Automatic debit na nga. Funded po palagi yung account ko sa bangko. Kasi even before magpadala si bank ng reminder na mag-auto debit sila on this date, even before sila magpadala ng ganong reminder, may laman na po yung aking bank account up to 6 months payment. So, 6 months advance, may laman yon. Bakit late? Auto-debit eh. Lumabas sa aking credit report and somehow naka-affect sa aking credit score. So, sa bangko nga, na one day lang, maybe nag-one day siyang late dahil na holiday. Kung sa bangko nga, how much more sa OLA? So, I cannot confirm na sa OLA ganun, pero based on my experience, sa bank, meron siyang ganun. So, that is why guys, whatever the situation is, as much as possible, ingat po tayo na hindi po natin namimiss yung due dates. Pero pwede ko naman yung i-dispute dahil automatic debit nga eh, di ba? Sabi ko, mababawi rin naman siguro yan dahil makita naman siguro ni bank yan, di ba? Total, naka-auto debit naman. Pero for very, very serious cases po talaga, na yung talagang laki talagang effect nito sa credit history mo, it's really good to be aware by having a copy of your credit report and file a dispute through the CIC as well. Kung may proof naman, di ba? So yun guys, yun yung point.